So AI filmmaking just got ridiculously fast. You can now turn a single storyboard image into a full AI movie without ever leaving Claude. No more generating every shot separately, fighting through endless manual tweaks, or burning credits across 5 different tabs. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire workflow, how to build amazing storyboards and bring them to life with Claude and the Higgsfield MCP faster than ever. Alright, let's get into it. Also, thanks Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now, the first step here to create videos using this workflow is to connect Claude with the Higgsfield MCP. It is pretty easy. You just need to go to the settings option here, head over to connectors, and then click on customize. Click on this plus button and then hit the add custom connector button. This will let you connect it with Higgsfield, which is very easy. You just need to go to Higgsfield here, go to the MCP and CLI tool, copy this URL for the Higgsfield MCP, and paste it right inside of Claude. Give it a name, like Higgsfield or whatever works for you, and just click on the Add button. Your connector will be automatically added, exactly as I have it set up here. Now, initially, I was going to use Fable 5 as the main managerial head for creating these types of videos, directing everything from storyboards to images, because it could direct a bit better than Opus 4.8. But as you know, Claude 5 is gone completely right now. Nobody can use it, so we are going to stick to Opus 4.8, as it is currently the best AI model again. The first process here is to ask the model to create a storyboard. Writing the prompt for the AI model to make the storyboard is going to be pretty easy. You are just going to say something like, hey, what I want you to do is to write a 15-image continuous storyboard for an animated cinematic fight scene between 2 characters with superpowers. I want you to add a story to the storyboard and also make the fight very cinematic. Use the GPT Image 2 model here to generate the images. I specifically mention this so that the model uses GPT Image 2 for generating the storyboard, as it is currently the best image generator out there. Alright, let's run the prompt. Alright, so this is the new image that GPT Image 2 has generated. Now, as you can see, it has successfully created the storyboard with the 15 panels that we wanted. But the main fact here is that the images are in an animated style, but not exactly what I wanted. I thought it was going to be in a normal animated style, not this kind of modern new animated style. But anyway, I think it still looks pretty good, and now we can animate it really easily. To animate it, just click on the animate option here, and then ask the AI model something like, hey, turn this storyboard into a video and make it exactly 15 seconds long. We specifically want the videos to be 15 seconds long so that they can encompass the whole story. Let's also specifically mention to use the Seedance 2 model to make the video. And now, let's run the prompt and see what kind of video Seedance 2 generates from our storyboard. Alright, it is saying the generation has failed, and the credits have been refunded. This is a bit of a problem that you are going to run into with Seedance 2, specifically when you are generating videos from images. I think because Seedance 2 thought this video had to do with fighting, it just refused to generate the video. When you are working with Seedance 2, you might occasionally run into safety filters like this. No worries though, we can just try with another prompt. Now, I'm going to say something like, hey, what I want you to do is generate a new image storyboard with 15 panels of 2 realistic cars racing. One car is going to be blue and the other is going to be red. Ultimately, the red car will win the race, make the image sequences look very realistic, and both of these cars are going to be supercars. Alright, let's run the new prompt and see what kind of image we get. And this is the new storyboard that the image model has generated for us. As you can see, this storyboard looks particularly good, packed with great images and fine details. I think this is going to be a very good video once it is generated. There are 15 panels here, as we mentioned, and honestly, no sequence here looks bad. So let's click on the animate option again and ask the model to animate this storyboard. I'm just going to say something like, hey, write the prompt to animate this storyboard, and also mention that in the video there should be absolutely no text. Wow, this is the new video that the AI model has created. Let's watch this first. As you can see, this video is absolutely insane. Everything looks incredibly cinematic, and overall, the video is just much better than what we would have gotten from a standard text input. Since we have already created a storyboard for the video, we can now easily create another storyboard continuing from the 15th panel here and use this final image as a reference to extend the video. Using that exact process, we can easily make the video 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or even a full minute long, basically as long as you want. So overall, as you can see, this is an insanely good workflow for generating video from images. You can do it manually, but the main benefit here is that by using Opus 4.8 and Claude as your director, you get high quality videos very easily, and you can create these videos in a highly streamlined process in bulk. For example, hey, what I want you to do is create storyboards for 3 different concepts. The first storyboard is going to be about an astronaut going to Mars. The second is going to be about a person finding an insanely cool looking orange spider inside a dense rainforest. And the third is going to be in a 3D animation style of a T-Rex chasing a smaller dinosaur that it wants to eat but is unable to catch. So these are 3 entirely different storyboards. Alright, the AI model has finished generating all the storyboards. This was particularly fast. If I had to do it all manually, it would have taken me a long time to write out all the good prompts and properly direct the story. And the storyboards also look really good. The astronaut going to Mars storyboard looks pretty cool, and the landing sequence here is also very good. The panels look very realistic. I also really like the storyboard of the woman discovering the orange spider inside the forest and running away. As you can see, the direction of the story here is amazing. The woman first goes into the forest, finds a bug, tries to take a photo of the spider, and then tries to capture it. But then she realizes that there are a lot more spiders coming, starts to become very afraid, and runs away. This is a particularly cohesive story right here. It also generated the T-Rex trying to catch a smaller dinosaur to eat, but failing to do so. It has that really good 3D art style that we asked for, and the expressions of the characters are incredibly natural. It even added visual lines for camera movement. So what I'm going to do now is generate all the videos here. Alright, I actually went ahead and generated the videos from the first 3 storyboards that we created. It was successfully able to generate the astronaut one and the woman finding the orange spider, but Seedance 2 rejected the 3D dinosaur animation. I don't know exactly why it did that, but I think Seedance 2 just has a strict problem with creating 3D animations or something along those lines. Anyway, first, let's look at the astronaut going to Mars. Overall, this looks very good. The face didn't look completely perfect at all times, but for the most part, the generation was absolutely insane. And now let's look at the explorer finding the orange spiders. This particular video is pretty incredible. As you can see, this workflow is pretty good. Alright guys, that is going to be about it for this video. Please don't forget to check out Higgsfield from the link down in the description.